Good morning, guys. So today's vlog is just going to be roughly cleaning the kitchen with me. It's not too bad really. I could do with mopping the floor while the kids are obviously playing. So let's turn you around and show you. So obviously I've just got sort out like over there. Not really much to do, but like I say, it's just got mop the floor. But yeah, you sort that. I'm going to try and sort out that shelf up there as well. Ignore that stains on the wall. I am going to be painting this room very soon, and obviously I'll bring it along with me. Just got to sort out there because just my laptop when I've just been doing some work for my Etsy page, but that's just now going to go upstairs, and I'm going to make sure I just do my work up there at the proper computer desk. Sort out there. Just put these pots away from last night, and obviously the breakfast pots as well. Clean that side. And then, focus, sort out there, obviously feed the guinea pigs more hay, and like I say, it's just like the mop in, hoover and mop this floor, and I'm also going to do some laundry as well. So yeah, like I say, it's not too bad, but I'm thinking I might just do the stairs and landing as well. In fact, let me show you that as well. So obviously I've just thrown some towels down because I've just done some laundry, took some laundry upstairs. So, focus. So I just got to take the shoes up, take that bag upstairs, and then hoover up here as well. So it's not too bad really. And then put that potty in my bedroom to be put away. So is that wallpaper, because that was in the kids' room. And then put the hot water bottles in my room, and then that lot is for the bin. So like I say, just hoover up in here. I think I might even hoover up the kids' room. So obviously the kids' room's not completely done, but I've just got a few more bits that I want to get. We have got some more bits coming next week. So yeah, I'll show you. So obviously this is a kids room. So we have gone for the like Avengers type thing because both kids are type into Avengers. So yeah, I'm going to pick all these bits up. Obviously hoover up in here as well. So yeah, this is a kids room. I do apologise. I need to change Robbie's bed. Williams's bed was done yesterday, but I just need to roughly make his, and then obviously change Robbie's bed as well. So we've gone for them sheets as well, and they go match with their pillowcase and duvets. Just got to pick up bits, sort out their teddies. Down there is clothes like I feel their next size. That box is full of teddies. So yes, I'm not doing the windows at the moment, but then we've got some pictures up there. Look, the Captain America, Batman, and the Superman we already had, and the Spider-Man we already had, so that's perfect. We've got the lampshade, and then these are roughly bits things. So I've got to put Robbie's christening picture in there, and then these are roughly all Robbie's bits up there. We are on about getting William christened as well. We're just waiting for a date of when they're doing it back at the church near us. We're just waiting. And then I want to sort out this chest of drawers at the top. The drawers don't need sorting. Like I said, this is both shelf top drawers. Obviously it's Robbie's pants, socks, and then William's pants and socks, and their vests at the back. So they're William's and they're Robbie's. And this is William's drawer, so it's like pyjamas, long sleeve t-shirts and short sleeved. William's tracky bottoms, more tracky bottoms, and then jeans, and then shorts and swimwear. I know this is obviously going to be a cleaning video as well, but I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of their room as well. Robbie's pyjamas, Robbie's long sleeve, and Robbie's short sleeved. Where's this drawer not opening? And then we've got Robbie's tracky bottoms, jeans, shorts and swimwear. And then the rest of the clothes are hanging up, like their jumpers and things like that. I can't really show them because I've got school jumpers there ready for obviously September, and obviously Robbie's student ones as well. So like I said, I've got to pick them bits up, sort out under here as well. Over there is Robbie's fleece, focus, is Robbie's fleecy ones. So yeah, they're ready for obviously the winter. Like I said, I've got to make his bed, change his bed. And then I think I might do the bathroom as well, just so I can get it done as well. And I feel a lot better in myself once it's all sorted. So that potty's just to be going. But William used it one day when Sam was on the toilet. So I'm just going to give the bath a quick clean. Sort out there and there. We've painted this bathroom the same colour as the kids' room, because we just thought it'd be ideal. Like obviously we're doing it under the sea themed in here. Did originally have a jigsaw up there, but once we took it off the wall to paint this wall, it all just broke up because I used it was like a double-sided sticky thing that apparently is easy to come off, but it peeled the thing off. Got into the bin. Let's close the toilet. Obviously clean the toilet, sort the towels out, focus. Sort out up there. I've got to roughly paint over these bits and that. I'm going to clean the mirror as well, so hi guys. And obviously hoover and mop in here as well. So that's what I want to get done. In my bedroom, I'm not going to focus on in here today. But I have put laundry up here. I've put the kids' ones away because I needed to get them done. But yeah, I'm not focused on in my room. We've still got paint in here, but we're not sure what colour. I've got to clean that mould up as well, but I'm not going to do that today. We had that the same in the other corner, but the council came out to check the other corner and said it wasn't a problem, just use mould and mould juice. That's what I'm going to do as well. So yeah, I think I'm starting off in the kitchen and then work my way up because of the hoovers downstairs. In fact, no, I'm going to start up here. No, I'm going to start downstairs in the kitchen and then work my way up. So yes, that is what I'm going to be doing in this vlog. So I thought I'd bring you along with me. So yes, so let's get started.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy, just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy, just give it to me,
is the kitchen, all sorted. I'm going to work on these stairs.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Baby, make your worries go away.
So that's now the stairs and landing done. So yeah, there, focus. Stairs, landing done. Wash basket, I've just found some clothes I've just stuck in. So there's that done.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
So that is the bathroom. I did as best as I can do. We've just got a bit too many like toiletries and things like shower gels and shampoos. I've just left up there like the polyfill and things like that, just in case I finish patching my holes up. But yeah, that is the bathroom sorted. Now I'm going to focus on the kids' room.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting inside my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me.
So So that is the kids' room done for now.
Yeah.
Robbie's bed's changed, William's bed's made, it's hoovered in here, and now going to go downstairs. So
I need
yes.
some better. God, Teddy.
So I'm going to end the vlog here. Hey guys, like this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next daily vlog. Good night guys.